The jury is now deliberating in the case of Sam Parker in North Georgia. The former cop is accused of killing his wife, even though her body has never been found. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Amy Morrow is live at the Walker County Courthouse. Amy?
Cindy, they got in about 3 hours of deliberations today before they were taken back home to Bartow County. They did have a request for the judge today. They asked to see a slew of items again. We're talking about evidence like the video of Sam Parker, taped phone conversations. The only thing that the judge did grant them, they can see the photographs of Sam Parker when he went fishing that day. It was the day his wife disappeared.
This case in 3 days, and we could have. If we weren't trying allegations of hearsay, misconduct, stretching back 20, 30 years.
Public defender David Dunn is the first to give the jury his closing argument, telling the 12 members and 3 alternates that he delivered his promise, that the 2-week trial would be lacking in evidence but full of accusations that would do nothing but make Sam Parker look bad.
They'd had domestic issues in the past. No question. Does that mean Theresa's dead and Sam killed her? No.
That gave him 45 minutes to kill his wife, to stuff her body in the back of her own 4Runner on top of this rubber mat, a rubber mat, ladies and gentlemen, that doesn't allow blood to seep down into any carpet.
Prosecutor Leigh Patterson tells the jury Sam Parker is a cockroach and that the state has simply flipped the light on to expose him. She rattles off every point of circumstantial evidence that the jury has heard from various witnesses, asking them to remember this is the same guy who threatened to kill his mother-in-law and the same guy who said he could kill and hide a body that would never be found.
This is the same guy who chose to keep a bullet recovered from the brain of a man that he'd shot and killed and presented it around like a trophy buck instead of keeping a picture of the child that was saved.
The Bartow County jury will begin their 4th hour of deliberating tomorrow morning. Reporting live in Walker County, Amy Morrow, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Amy.